Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by enabling breadcrumb output so you can change structure. This matters because without output you can't test changes. First, make a fresh backup of files and the database. Next, open your theme settings or the SEO plugin and turn breadcrumbs on. If using a plugin, note whether it supplies a shortcode, widget, or template tag. Once done, inspect a sample page to confirm breadcrumbs render so you can safely edit labels and structure. Now you'll change how breadcrumbs read and look. Open the plugin's label settings or the theme's breadcrumb template and adjust the separator and home text. This controls clarity for users. If you need deeper changes, edit the template file and replace the plugin call with the theme tag or shortcode, making sure to preserve conditional checks. Also remap taxonomy and parent page labels so category names appear friendly. This ensures breadcrumbs match site navigation and SEO expectations. Finish by styling and testing so breadcrumbs behave consistently. Inject CSS into your child theme to adjust spacing, color, and mobile visibility. This improves usability. Then systematically browse posts, archives, categories, and any custom post types to verify correct hierarchy and labels. If breadcrumbs disappear or show wrong links, clear caches and disable other plugins to find conflicts. And make sure the template tag.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.